Hi, everybody. A very good afternoon. I am thankful to the team of Source Group for having taken this initiative to spread this unique healing technique, Lama Fera, far and wide for the betterment of society and humanity. A special thanks to Shrikantji and Satyaji for inviting me for this amazing Lama Fera meditation and healing technique webinar. Please stay till the very end because we are going to have a power packed and amazing Lama Fera meditation guided by me. For those who may not be knowing me, my name is Vidyut Jatia. I am based in the city of Chennai in India. I am a Lama Fera healer, Lama Fera master teacher, pranic healer, holistic healer, spiritual guide, meditation guru, and your agony brother or a heartbreak doctor. I provide distant Lama Fera healing, which is the fastest known energy healing technique. I am also a Lama Fera master teacher, and I can teach you how you can also become a Lama Fera healer. I also give distant pranic healing, and I do counseling for people who are stressed because of the heavy demands of life. I also host online guided meditation in both English and or Hindi. I also counsel youngsters, especially youngsters who are not happy with the relationship they are into, or they are searching for a relationship, or they want to improve the current relationship, and sometimes they have to leave a relationship for the betterment and happiness of all concerned. Now, who all can benefit from this webinar? I am going to ask you some questions, and if there is a yes to any one of these, then you are at the right place. Remember, you are not here by chance. Lord Buddha wanted you to be here. Among lakhs and lakhs of people, why only you all are here? There is a reason, a purpose behind it. Lord Buddha wants to help you through me as a medium so that your life becomes the best and happiest version possible. Now, for the questions, just listen to them carefully. Even one yes to any one or more means that you are here to change your life once and for all for more happiness, more peace, more prosperity, and amazing relationships with all those whom you are concerned. Do you want Lord Buddha to do your healing where I am only the medium? Is the Vastu of your home, shop, office, or factory not correct because of which you are facing lots of issues in life? Do you want to rectify these Vastu issues without any repairs or demolition or breaking of a single brick? Do you think that your progress is affected because of negative effects of spirits and maybe black magic done on you by someone? So, if there is a yes to these, anyone, that means you need this Lama Fera healing. Some more questions on the way. Are you passing through financial issues? You may put the blame on external factors, but actually, the issue may be that you are surrounded and burdened by negative energies, which is not letting you grow money wise, wealth wise, prosperity wise. Do you have any mental, spiritual, emotional, or relationship based issues? Do you want to be physically fitter and better? Do you feel that there are errors in your DNA level? Do you feel that you are suffering just because of negative ancestral karma? Do you want to eradicate all your unknown fears, phobias, complexes, and even depression? Yes, you have come to the right place. We will move together, go ahead together with the Lama Fera healing so that a day comes when each of these questions will give the answer to you as no. You can write no for all these questions. Now, first, let's understand what is energy healing. It is a form of a complementary and alternative treatment based on the belief that a vital energy flows through our human body. The goal of the energy is to balance the energy flow in the person. And how does this energy enter our bodies? It enters through the seven major chakras, which are located in seven spots of our body. These are energy wheels, the chakras. And as I said before, there are seven major chakras in our bodies. So, any problem or disease, in these cases, the negativity, the problem, the disease, the wealth issue, the satisfaction issue, the relationship issue will affect these chakras initially, and then it will penetrate inside and it will manifest in our bodies or in the surroundings around us or in our relationships. So, obviously, if we protect and activate and balance these chakras, then nothing negative or bad can happen to you. Energy healing is used to reduce stress and anxiety and promote well being. Energy healing can improve the quality of life and also boost the immune system. Now, you may have heard of many energy modalities: Reiki, pranic healing, theta healing, qigong healing, angel healing, sound healing, and many more modalities. But today, our focus is on Lama Fera healing energy, which some of you may have heard before, which some of you may not have heard before. Here, a healing session features a ritual. It is a no touch therapy, and the healer does not have to touch the body. And so, distant healings are also possible. It basically involves the use of symbols. Lord Buddha had created and developed this energy healing technique, and he has converted thousands and lakhs of mantras into symbols so that healing can be more easy and tremendously fast. The healer helps to transfer Lord Buddha's energy to the patient to heal a particular disease or problem. It may also be used for people who are not Buddhists because it is spirituality and not a religion. And they can get healing done for themselves or they can do healing for others as long as they believe in Lord Buddha and have faith that when he comes into us, there cannot be any other better form of healing. Now, let's see some of the benefits of Lama Fera. It equalizes, that is, balances male and female energies in the body, that is, Shiva and Shakti. It equalizes all the three gunas, Rajogun, Satogun, and Tamogun. It equalizes all the five elements in the body, that is, earth, water, fire, air, and space. It balances the activities of Ida and Pingla Nadi. It balances and strengthens all the chakras in the body, thereby balancing all kinds of emotional, mental, and physical problems. It promotes chemical processing of the body, muscles, bones, and gives them strength and radiant energy. It can free you from depression and stress. This therapy removes fears and anxiety. It helps to improve memory and concentration. It increases your willpower. Some experts regard Lama Fera healing therapy as the best one for patients who are at the last stage of their disease and there is no other hope left. There are many more benefits. The time and place is too short to discuss all. And there is one kind of information which I would like to share with all of you, that any kind of energy healing, for that matter, even Lama Fera healing energy, is only a supplement to the main treatment. You have to get the medical treatment done as advised by the doctors. This energy healing technique can only complement or speed up the process of healing and recovery. There is one more amazing angle to this Lama Fera healing energy. It can be also done on your pets. Having a pet at home has amazing benefits. The unconditional love of a pet for you and your family helps reduce stress and improves your overall psychological state. It can also reduce blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. It can help children in their emotional and social behavior also. But even pets can have stress, disease, and ailments. We sometimes have to balance the systems of energy throughout our pet's body. They may also go through various psychological and emotional issues. Hence, we can then give Lama Fera healing to our pets. So, how does Lama Fera healing help in the case of pets? It helps in the removal of their fears and phobias, their separation anxiety if they have separated from some family member. They may be nervous sometimes, they may be aggressive sometimes. It helps in neutralizing that. They may have some kind of travel anxiety or motion sickness. They may lose a companion or some family member. Now, please be ready for a very, very powerful meditation, the Lama Fera channeling meditation. You may either sit down with your feet touching the ground and the two hands on your thighs, palms facing upwards, or better still, you may lie down with your feet straight, not crossed over, and the two hands to the left and right side of your body, palms facing upwards. Basically, you should be comfortable and safe, that in case during meditation you get into some kind of trance or sleep, you should not get hurt. So please don't do anything physical. Don't be out this time when you're listening to the meditation. Do not ride or drive any vehicle. Don't be in the kitchen or washroom. I will wait for you all. Just you can either lie down as I said or sit. Close your eyes. Breathe in through the nose to the count of 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3. Breathe out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 3. Breathe in through the nose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3. Breathe out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Please continue the process. You continue this process. Let me tell you that you have played enough of roles, either as a father or as a mother, a brother or sister, husband or wife, son or daughter, daughter in law or mother in law, the owner of some office, factory, shop, or working for somebody. It's enough. Every day you're doing things to make others happy. What about you? What about your time? What about my time? So just think about yourself. Transfer all the burden of your shoulder onto the feet of Lord Buddha. He has sent you here and he will take care of you. Now just think about yourself. This is the precious me time. It is the time to devote for your soul journey, which you have to take alone. So surrender yourself to the mighty Lord Buddha and let him take over. Continue lying down or sitting wherever you are. This is a very powerful meditation. It will remove deep rooted blockages. It is a channel meditation and directly the Buddha energy is involved. Just follow my instructions. Follow my words, which are the channeling words. Surrender yourself completely for the highest good and maximum benefits. It is a full moon night. The moon is shining brightly, absolutely white. It's a very important night because it's the meeting of nature and mankind tonight. By the confluence of these two, a third power will be generated which will remove the darkness and ignorance from this universe. The devils of the entire universe do not want the birth of this new power, so they have decided to attack mankind and nature. The meeting and the merging of mankind and nature is going on in the meantime. The hours of the night are passing by. While the confluence is going on, all the devilish power, all the negative energy, all the darkness, and all the ignorance has come to attack mankind and nature. By the friction of this merging of mankind and nature, one star, one brilliant star takes birth. This star is bright and luminous. It's more powerful than the sun. As soon as the star is born, it starts going all around the mankind and nature, from head to toe, and then again from toe to head, in an anti-clockwise direction. As the star is going around mankind and nature, a very, very powerful boundary of white light, bright light, is getting formed. No negativity can enter it by any chance. No darkness can enter through it. No negativity can enter through it because this boundary is impenetrable and strong. Now, the evil and the dark forces are attacking this star. There is a duel happening between both these sides. But the star is very powerful. It starts growing in size, bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. And it is killing and destroying all the negative and dark forces. The night has passed by and it is dawn now. Mankind and nature recall what all happened the previous night. And when they see the star in front of them, they bless it. They say that since you gave us respect by going around us the moment you were born, You will henceforth be known as Thera, and within you, the knowledge, secret, and truth of this entire universe will be established. Whenever anyone invokes you, they will also get this nectar of knowledge. Then mankind and nature give instructions to the star to go to Mother Earth, where Siddharth Gautam is doing penance. They advise it to meet Siddharth Gautam and pass on this nectar to him. From that time onwards, Siddharth Gautam will use it to spread wisdom and light in the entire world. The Fera comes down to Mother Earth and goes to the spot where Siddharth Gautam is in deep penance. Fera explains him the entire story. Now Siddharth Gautam starts writing everything. He keeps on writing the entire universal truth, secret, and knowledge. But the size of the entire earth is not enough so that the writing can be complete. All the oceans, all the land, all the planets, the entire universe does not have enough space to complete writing this entire truth. So Siddharth Gautam thinks of a solution that this entire truth, knowledge, and secret of the universe be represented by symbols. And he draws these symbols on a stone which turns into gold, brilliant, shining gold. Seeing this, mankind and nature also come down to earth and they bless Siddharth that since he has become the enlightened one with this universal knowledge, secret, and truth, he will henceforth be known as Buddha, the enlightened one, the awakened one. And whenever anyone invokes Buddha and Fera, they will also be blessed with this knowledge and truth. Buddha then passes on this knowledge to his disciples. Buddha and his disciples start helping mankind, giving salvation to the deserving ones. Slowly, the disciples were being called or known as Lamas, and this is how Lama Fera came into existence. This is a symbolic story of Lama Fera, and whoever learns Lama Fera, please make a note, whoever learns Lama Fera, his or her deep-rooted blockages will get dissolved and a new, happier, peaceful and more successful life will begin. Now it is our turn to invoke Buddha and Fera. Your eyes are already closed. Look at yourself with your inner eyes. See that you are sleeping. Fera is standing next to your feet. And can you ever imagine who is standing near your head? Lord Buddha himself. There is powerful light and energy emanating from Buddha's hands. This light is touching your crown chakra and third eye chakra. And Buddha is advising you that the truth, secret, and knowledge of the entire universe, which you already knew, but due to your ignorance, you have forgotten it. I am going to re-establish it in your heart. Buddha says, come with me. And then Buddha starts going around your body in an anti-clockwise direction. Starting from your right side, he starts taking Fera around the right side of your body, shoulder, hands, stomach, thighs, knees, right leg, right foot. Then he turns around to your left foot, left leg, left knee, thighs, left part of the stomach, the hands, the shoulders, and back, to your above your head. See it happening. Enjoy this moment. First era is over. This is for your past life. Whatever wrong deeds were done by you in your past birth, this era will help to clear those negative karmas. Second Fera, same anti-clockwise, and this will heal your present life. See with your closed eyes, Buddha going around your body, and he has reached your head again. Now he will take the last half round from your head right downwards till he reaches your feet. This is for the truth, secret, and knowledge. At the bottom of your feet is the star called Fera. Buddha lifts the Fera in his hands. Visualize, see, brilliant and scintillating light in the hands of Lord Buddha. He is taking it between your legs to your root chakra, through your sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, piercing them. He establishes Fera in your heart chakra. Inside your heart, you are feeling as if thousands of candles and diyas are lighted up. Feel that vibration. Feel that power. Feel it. Feel it. Just feel it. Now, thank the Fera energy. Buddha, mankind, and nature are now blessing you that whenever, with a genuine heart and honesty, for a noble deed, you will remember them. And also, when you want to do your own healing or someone else's healing, then Lord Buddha and Fera will definitely come to help you. You will be blessed with happiness, wealth, prosperity, good health, peace of mind, name, and fame. Now give your deep gratitude to the universe and this universal energy. You may continue lying down or sitting, enjoying this amazing trance, this amazing meditation. There is no hurry to get up. You can stay in this position for as long as you want. Once you are ready, you have to rub your hands and place them on top of your eyes, the closed eyes, to feel the vibration, to feel the energy, to feel the power. Then bring your hands down, and if you have a glass of water near you, please have a glass of water now, or once we are through, later on when you get up, you can have the glass of water. You may continue enjoying this moment. Let's wait for everyone to get up and switch on their cameras again so that we could continue further, and I'm here to clarify all your doubts and questions regarding Lama Fera. And once again, I invite all of you or request all of you to please join on this very noble mission of spreading Lama Fera healing meditation far and wide to every corner of the world. Maybe together all of us can create history. Buddha blessings to you. Buddha blessings to all. Buddha blessings to me. Thank you, Buddha. Thank you, Lord Buddha.